Okay, now I'm trying to adjust the camera. Let me see. Go that way. Lift this up some. See, I can only do this at night because I have my grandson. Just the light. Just a little. Almost fell. That looks like a little bit too much light. Wait to the skin. Trying to get this here right. Still look a little dark. Here we go. Oh well. Trying to see how this hair. I'm trying to work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Alright. Okay. Alright. It's okay. Alright. Until next time, I'll be back.